Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Windows firewall on Windows 11. So let's say you are using Windows 11. I'm using this on a virtual machine. I will not advise you to actually turn off your Windows firewall. But if for one reason or the other, you want to put off or just turn off the firewall, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I actually prefer to do it this way. Let me just go and just enter Control. And then in Control, I'm going to go to my Windows firewall. And you can see we have the option turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. So I can just click on that and we can just turn them off. But we can decide to do it this way. Go to Settings. So under Windows Settings, I need to go to my Network and Internet. And here you can see we have the option Windows Firewall. And here you can see for the domain network, the firewall is on. I can decide to just click on it and see the Microsoft Defender firewall. I'm just going to put that off. Say yes, and it's put off. So let me just dismiss that, and then I can decide to let me just go back there and then close that. You can see that all my firewalls are turned off. And let me close this. And if I go back here again, you can see that my Windows firewall for my domain is now turned off. So for this, I can decide to show you that I can as well say turn off the Windows firewall for the public and also for the private, and then click OK. You can see they are all now turned off. But I will not advise you to actually turn off your firewall. Instead, just try and install, and also you make sure that you have an antivirus on your device before you decide to turn off your firewall. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. Thank you very much and goodbye.